Hi everyone. I wanted to show you my fillets when I sous vide them. So I just started with some beautiful fillets, and what you do is you just salt and pepper them. I know a lot of people like to add different seasonings, but I'm kind of a purist when it comes to my fillets, so I just like to salt and pepper them. So you can tell I have quite a few because I have a few people coming over for dinner, and it doesn't matter how many you actually put into your sous vide. This could just be one steak, or it could be as many as I have. I've got 8 here. So I'm just gonna salt and pepper both of my sides. And you can tell some of them are pretty thick. And the best thing about sous vide is it will be perfect temperature all the way through, no matter how thick my fillets are gonna be. And I tend to like mine medium rare. So I will have my temperature set of my sous vide at 129. That's what I like my fillets to be at. So I just nicely salt and pepper these. These did come to room temperature. And I am just gonna probably lay about half of the amount in each of my sous vide bags. So I'm just gonna kind of neatly put them in here. After I salt and peppered them. So I think I'll just do that amount. And the little trick I have to get as much air out as you can, I just kind of tighten my bag as tight as I can through there. Start zipping this up. And then I squeeze out a little bit more air and then finish it up. And these will be ready to go into the sous vide bath. So I will be finishing this up, putting the other ones in here, setting my temperature at 129 for the sous vide bath, and I will be an hour and a half on that. So catch me back then. So I just pulled the sous vide out of the bags, and I'm putting them on a very hot grill, and I will grill them on each side for about a minute, minute and a half, just to get them some beautiful grill marks.